I joined the RFC during its first year, and then as a general member, and then came on as an e-board member the next year. And I would absolutely recommend joining the RFC to others.
Being part of the RFC has been a totally awesome experience. Being able to stay connected to other osteopathic graduates around the country, and especially during this last year, working with them during the COVID pandemic, I really enjoyed having the collaboration and the connection.
The RFC gave me an opportunity to be the voice of the osteopathic residents across all specialties from all over the country, and influence policy that was affecting our graduate medical education and our institutions.
Residency is tough and demanding of time, so many times we feel kind of lost and in the weeds, but being involved in an organization such as this one gave me some perspective and reminded me that there is a life outside of residency, number one, and that the conviction I had about medicine and passion that I had about medicine is still there.
I think that it's always really great to have a network outside of just your own, geographic bubble. And so it was an awesome opportunity for that. And I think that anybody who's interested in joining the Residents and Fellows Council should definitely consider it, because it's a totally awesome benefit.
Residency is tough, but when we have a network of friends to rely on, whether it's locally or nationally, like the RFC, it makes the process and journey a much more valuable experience.